Dear viewers, welcome to our channel, where each time we open the doors to the world of mysteries and magic. Today, I want to share with you an exciting ceremony aimed at attracting love into your life. This red candle spell will help you create an atmosphere of passion around you and draw the desired person to you. Before starting this exciting ritual, it's important to create a special state of mind and energy. Here are a few steps to help you delve deeper into the magic of the moment. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Light a piece of frankincense to create a relaxing atmosphere. Take a few deep breaths, releasing tension. Before beginning the spell, clearly define your goal. Think about the kind of love you want to attract and the qualities that are important to you in a partner. Emotional clarity will strengthen your request. Close your eyes, feel your inner strength and harmony. Visualize how your request is filled with energy and directed towards the goal. Engage in a short meditation, visualizing yourself embracing your loved one, feeling the warmth and joy of this encounter. Allow yourself to immerse in this positive scenario. Then, sit facing south and write your name on the red candle with anticipation of future love. Light the candle, symbolizing the beginning of this magical ritual. Address the spirit of fire, reciting the following spell. Fire, share your warmth with me. Let the heat of passion ignite in my soul. May everything come to pass at my will. Grant what I seek swiftly. Look at the flame and concentrate. Repeat 3 times. Passion flares within and without. The fire of passion burns within me. I can easily handle any task. All is subject to my strength. Let the name of the desired person become mine. Allow the candle to burn completely. If desired results are not achieved within a week, you can repeat the procedure. Repeat no more than 3 or 4 times, once a week. Remember that energy and belief in success play a crucial role in achieving your goal. Be open to changes and ready for fate to bring you new opportunities. Good luck, dear viewers, and may love fill your life. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until we meet again.